Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today you're getting ready with me for a Christmas party and I love all of these products that I'm using in this video. They are perfect for Christmas because they are glowy, they are shimmery and literally just perfect. So I tend to do quite a lot of the same products when I do makeup tutorials just because I know that they work out really well for me. I love them and to me this is perfect for every occasion, not just Christmas. So if you do want to recreate this look, you can use it for loads of different occasions as well. The difference is today I'm not doing a red lip. On every single time that I do a Christmas makeup tutorial, I do a red lip, but this time I'm just going to do a nude one because I want my eyes to be the focus, and I love sometimes just wearing false lashes and making my eyes be the focus. But anyway, if you want to get ready with me for a Christmas party, then just keep watching. I've zoomed in so you can see what it looks like when I apply all the products to my skin. I also do want to apologise for this lighting, it keeps going in and out. I do have sun that's coming through and then it starts to get dark, so yeah, it's all just a little bit weird at the moment. So I've already done my primers and these are both from e.l.f. So I use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer underneath my eyes and on my eyelids, and then the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This one I used all over the skin and this is very tacky. It's so good because it lets all of the foundation just stick to your skin. And then the Putty Primer, I've been putting this underneath my eyes just to help with any little under eye circles or any little wrinkles that I have, and honestly it is a game changer. This is so good for under the eyes. I don't know if you're meant to put it under there, but I believe that they used to have an eye putty primer, but that has now been discontinued, so this is the best thing that I've got. So now I'm going to skip onto foundation and I'm going to mix two products together. So they're both from Chanel. I love my Chanel products. You will see so many videos of me talking about Chanel. I'm going to use the Beiges foundation and I'm going to mix that with all of the words have come off, but this one is the Fluide Illuminizer and this one is in Ivoire. This was from Christmas about 2 years ago. I still use this. It has such a beautiful gold tone to it. If you don't have this, then you can just use one of the liquid illuminizers from Chanel. Pretty much the same, just this one has a gold tint to it. I just mixed 2 pumps of foundation with 1 pump of the illuminizer and it just gives this really gorgeous glow. For concealer, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Creamy Concealer. I have been loving this for the longest time. I've purchased quite a few of the small ones because they did come in sets, which was on sale on their website. So I picked up quite a few of them, but now I've actually gone and got the full size because it is just that good. So what I'm going to do is just do some dots underneath my eye and on top. And I'm going to show you a quick trick that I've recently learned from another YouTuber who I follow called Nicole. She is so good. So I'm just going to put this on all the areas where I want to highlight. While the under eyes are just setting in a little bit more, I'm going to go in my bronzer. Now I've been doing this recently and honestly it works out so much better. The coverage looks better and it just looks so nice. So I'm just going to take my trusty Chanel Le Beige bronzing cream in the shade medium bronze. This is almost used up and I can't find another one anywhere. Literally it is sold out everywhere in the medium bronze shade, so if you can find one please let me know. And I'm going to take my Physicians Formula butter bronzer and just set all of that bronzer in place because sometimes if you are boogieing then it can start to sweat off and we want it to stay put. Now that my bronzer is done, I'm going to go on to the under eye concealer and I'm just going to take this fluffy brush. I think this was an eyeshadow brush at one time, but I felt like that this works really, really well. Then I'm taking my Stay Spray from Tarte and I'm just going to spray this a couple of times and just wave it about. Do sort of like a patting motion on my under eyes. And what this is going to do is this is going to spread out the concealer. But it's going to make it so it's a bit more full coverage, but it's also going to do it where it's not cakey. And this, honestly, since I've been doing this technique, this has been the best thing for my under eyes. This has also stopped my concealer from going into any fine lines as well and creasing. And powder is a new favourite of mine. I have been on the hunt for a powder that makes my under eyes not crease, makes it look airbrushed, flawless. I've used so many different powders. I always used to go back to the Coty Airspun, but that, to be honest, is actually quite thick and my under eyes would look quite crepey and not the best. I had this in my makeup collection for probably about a year, and then a few weeks ago I decided to try it out and this is the best powder that I have found and my under eyes look airbrushed. It is amazing. This is the Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder. I have it in the shade 20 because 10 is a little bit too light for me. If you do want to get a translucent one, then 10 is your shade, but 20, it's a little bit deeper, but it's still a brightening one. This is the most stunning powder underneath the eyes. This sets your eyes, just making it look absolutely gorgeous. Like, I don't know why it's taken me so long to try it out. It is expensive because it's Chanel. So I put a little bit in the lid, and then I just take this powder puff from Elf. I think it's like £6 or £8. It's actually really, really affordable. I just press into that and then tap off the excess on my hand and just pop it on the eyes. This technique is a game changer. I'm now going on to my favourite blush ever, and this is Wet n Wild in the shade Nudist Society. I wear this no matter what makeup look I am going for. This is just the perfect blush, the perfect shade for me. The formula is incredible. It's so cheap as well, and I always keep going back to it. I do have some Tarte blushes and some high-end blushes, but in all honesty, this blush is always the one that I go for because it's just perfect. It's a perfect pinky nude shade for me and my skin tone, and there's a little tiny bit of shimmer in it as well, but it's just, it makes your skin look flawless. To highlight, I'm going to take two products. So again, I'm going to take the Liquid Illuminizer from Chanel. I love this shade because it looks more glittery than the other ones, and I'm just going to pop this on the high points of my cheeks. I'm not going to put this down the bridge of my nose because I'm using a different highlighter that will probably work a bit better. I'm now going into another highlighter, and this one is from the new Chanel collection for Christmas this year. Now, I do like this. I did do a full review on the Chanel holiday collection, which I'll link down below or somewhere in this video for you so you can check it out. But this is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. It's two different shades. However, I've noticed since I used this last week that the pink is an overspray. Look at that. So I don't know if you can see, but you can see that the pink is coming off around here, and then the white's coming through. So that to me is a bit annoying because I thought that it was going to be two different colours, but it's not, it's an overspray. So I'm just going to take this on a fan brush, and I'm just going to pop this on my cheekbones. And I'm also going to put it on the bridge of my nose as well. Because this is a Christmas party, we want to be glowing to high heavens. So that is what I am going to do, because I wouldn't put this much highlighter on if it was just a normal day. But we're going to be glowing. Now that my face is done, I'm moving on to eyes, and I'm using a palette that is, again, used and abused. It is the Tartelette Toasted palette from Tarte. You can see that I love this palette so much that I've hit pan on several of the shades because it's just so good, and I use this pretty much when I don't really know what I'm going to do, but this has some golds in there, and gold is perfect for Christmas, so that's why I'm using it today. So I'm just going to go into the crease, and I'm going to take these two shades, which I usually take. And then I'm going to take this shade Flame right here, and I'm going to put this on the outer third, but I'm just going to pat this in with my finger. Then I'm taking an e.l.f. No Budge shadow stick. This is in the shade Golden Goddess. I love this. I think this is my second one that I purchased, and it's super affordable. So I'm just going to put this all over the lid. And this I'm putting on before I lay down an extra eyeshadow topper. And then I'm taking the shade Candle, which is right down here. It's a shimmery gold. And I'm just going to press this over the top. And then I'm just going to take the shade Flame again and just pat that on the outer third. I'm then going back in with the shade Flame, but I'm going to take it on a thinner brush, and I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this shade Sunrise right here at the top, and I'm going to take a brush that, I don't know, it's just got a little point to it at the end, and I'm going to pop this on the inner corner. I'm going to take this from Primark. It's a PS Kohl eye pencil in the shade Metallic, and it's like a goldy shade. This is so good. This cost me I think like £1, and I've used this several times, and it's so pigmented and it lasts all day as well. So I'm just going to put this on the lower waterline. Now I'm going on to eyeliner and mascara, and I'm using some favourite products of mine. So the Rare Beauty liquid liner. This is the best of the best. I will constantly repurchase this. This is my third one, I want to say. My first one lasted me 9 months. That's how long this lasts for. It's so good, and it's waterproof, lasts all day as well. The perfect eyeliner. And then I'm going in with the Tartelette Tubing Mascara as well. Recently rediscovered this after doing my last video, and I really do like it, and It's just so good. The last step for my eyes is just putting on some false eyelashes, and these are the Ardell Demi, I think they're the Demi Wispies or just Demi ones. So I'm going to put these on, do my lower lashes with mascara, and then come back and we'll finish off the eyebrows and then also the lips. I'm back and I've finished off my eyes with some eyelashes and my lower lashes. So I did actually put on a different mascara for my lower lashes because this is the only mascara that I trust to not budge and run and smudge everywhere during the day. And this is the Le Volume Waterproof Mascara from Chanel. Honestly, budge proof. I use it in summer when I have runny eyes and it is incredible. So now we're going on to the eyebrows. So I have two products that I use all the time, the NYX Micro Brow and the Tarte Busy Gal Brows. Now that pretty much all of my makeup's done, the last thing to do are lips, and you'll probably be able to guess exactly what I'm going to be using today because it's pretty much the same every time I do my lips. So lip liner is different. This one is the NYX lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. Absolutely love this. But then the lip gloss or liquid lipstick is from Chanel. This one is Endless Pink. I love this stuff. I've used so many of these. They are incredible. I have so many shades of it as well. So yes, no difference to what I usually do if I go for a nude pink lip because this stuff is incredible. Honestly, if you're going out for any occasion, this is the perfect liquid lipstick for you because this will stay put. I can literally put it on early hours of the morning and then still wear it, have it on in the evening, and it will look exactly the same even through eating and drinking. So it's an amazing thing, and I love pairing these two together because at the moment I am liking having a darker lip liner to my lipstick. And this is a finished makeup look. Now this is going to last me throughout the entire evening of sweating, dancing, eating, drinking, everything. This is going to last throughout all of it. I feel like that is so beautiful because these are products that I use all the time, things that I know that are going to last very long. Also the fact that I have the extra shimmer there on my cheekbones and everywhere. I have so much shimmer everywhere, all over my face. I have it on my cheekbones, my nose, my eyes, my brow bone. Literally, I have shimmer all over my face, and I feel like that it looks so good. I love the fact that I have the very nude, pinky nude lips with the bold eyes. Now, some people can pull off bold eyes and the bold lips. Me personally, I can't do that. It looks weird on me, but other people, I feel like that it looks absolutely beautiful. So if you do recreate this look, if there's any products that you love using, anything that you don't like, any makeup reviews that you want me to do or makeup tutorials, then just let me know. But if you do recreate this makeup look, let me know as well. And make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!